Today's video on Alan Watts is about letting go, and I think there's several things that we can take from this. One is just the fact that there's so many issues in the world that we think we can kind of piecemeal solve, that we can keep all of our Western concepts and biases, but just add some extra layer, it'll be fine. Sure, we're destroying the planet, but if we quit using plastic straws, then we can go about our capitalist lives and the rest will be fine, right? Things like that. And I think Alan Watts gives us a nice reminder that a lot of the problems that we see in the world, they are philosophical problems. They're problems with the core assumptions that we've adopted and embraced and fight to defend about ourselves, about others, about the nature of how things work, about desire and attachment, and about happiness and what adds value to our lives. And as long as we hold those sorts of irrational beliefs, then there's no way we can accurately address these problems that are a direct result of those beliefs. So I'm really curious if you can see other examples. I think the environmental one is pretty obvious, or maybe it's obvious to me because that's a course I've been teaching for a while now. But be thinking about that. Like, how many problems are simply a product of us, being attached, or us trying to hold on to things that we need to let go of, or of us defending a sense of self that doesn't exist, trying to protect the ego in some way? Because that's the other aspect of this video that I really appreciate. When Alan Watts talks about the you that you describe, the you that you call you, the you that you would write about in a personal statement or scholarship essay, or that you is not you at all. That you is a construct. That you is a representation. That you is a symbol. And we get confused. We think that that symbol of us, that representation, that inaccurate, incredibly incomplete description is the whole of it. And that category mistake can lead to a lot of issues. So take a look, give it some thought. As always, let me know what you think.